Hi, this is Dan Mondello with SearchSoftwareQuality.com. I'm here talking with Bob Payne of Codegreenlabs. Bob, the term Agile best practices is thrown around a lot in this industry. What can you tell me about Agile best practices in your opinion?
Well, I do a lot of work with organizations that are transitioning to Agile or trying to adopt Agile practices. Some of the key ones that I think are crucial to delivering Agile products. I generally stick with time boxing, iterative incremental delivery. There's been a lot of work in the Kanban space doing more of a pull model, and I think that's going to become more prominent in the industry. And I also concentrate a lot on quality, working with Agile engineering practices to improve the quality of the code. There is a lot of work in the story writing space, Agile planning, though I think if you concentrate on iterative incremental delivery and quality, if you can incorporate the customer's feedback, I think that really is a crucial one for Agile development, and concentrating on quality, gathering and using feedback really are the key differentiators for Agile projects.
Excellent, excellent. Who is your ideal client at Codegreenlabs?
Well, I work with a lot of fairly large financial services organizations, so I tend to work in fairly large, fairly political organizations, and those can be challenging. So they are great clients in that they usually have a lot of need, and I can see a lot of improvement in the processes and how people deliver their work in those organizations. And then occasionally, if I want to have fun, I'll do training and consulting in smaller organizations. I've done one in a gaming company, and the folks have more fun, but their need is not as great as some larger institutions. So I can usually see greater improvement in the big organizations. That's really what drives me.
Okay. I noticed you have a pin on your leotard there.
My leotard, my lanyard.
On your lanyard. I'm sorry, wrong word.
It's okay.
There.
Men in leotards.
What's Give?
Well, it actually is just sort of a logo that I've developed for Agile Philanthropy. It's obviously in Agile I use a lot of 3x5 cards for planning and create card walls for managing my work at conferences and within organizations. So it just really is a 3x5 card with the word give and a green check mark indicating that that's something that you've done. So, and I was giving these out at a previous conference for people that would volunteer in the Live Aid Lab, because I'm also involved in Agile Philanthropy and trying to organize volunteers around work for not-for-profit. So that's sort of a new territory for me, and trying to give back some of the Agile best practices, and deliver work for not-for-profits, as well as my for-profit work that pays the bills.
Where could volunteers go to find you online? Do you have a website for this?
Yeah, actually, agilephilanthropy.org. We've just recently formed a not-for-profit, and we're going to be moving more information up there actually during this conference. So we should see more information going up there pretty quickly.
Sounds great. It was very nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you as well.
Thank you.